Let's face it, trucks aren't always easy to repair. And as they continue to become more complex, it only gets tougher. That's why we created NextStep Repair. NextStep Repair is an interactive maintenance guide offering step-by-step repair instructions for even the most complex issues. That means you experience faster repair times and fewer mistakes along the way. And because shop safety is a top priority, warnings and cautionary tips ensure technicians follow best practices at each step. Not all issues trigger a fault code. Sometimes technicians must rely on what the driver observed, felt, or heard while operating the vehicle. When these instances occur, NextStep Repair has you covered with its symptom-based browsing options. See for yourself why NextStep Repair is like having an extra master mechanic in the shop, assisting techs with every repair. Visit Noregon.com today to learn more and purchase NextStep Repair today.